Hello everyone. It's Tuesday morning and I'm coming to you from Trade Ideas. I want to talk to the newer traders who are trying to learn what's going on out there and get better at it. The Trade Ideas races. We've got some momentum names that pop into this window here every single day and show you where the action is. And this is a top 10 list over here. And if you'll notice, there's one name right there, PWM. So after about an hour and a half, 2 hours after the open, I like to scan through this list right here. This list gives us a whole idea of every solid name that continues to win short-term segment races of momentum and net price change. So what I want to do is I pulled this up as I do often throughout the day, and I see that PWM is doing incredible volume, and it's also pulling back to its moving average. We're doing almost 3 times normal volume, I should say. And this is a very interesting area always to me, this 10 SMA on a 15-minute chart. So I'm going to use this as a simulated trade to demonstrate how easy it is for new traders to come in and just practice your chops, practice your swing. If you were a golfer on a golf range, this is how traders practice their trades. So here we go. Very simple. I click the buy button like that. Go ahead and drop in my price. And I'm going to lower my stop a little bit. We should be getting a fill there. I'm going to raise my price just a little bit. And there is our simulated fill. That simulated fill will show up here on our brokerage plus window, but there's no need to use all this. You can do this directly from the chart. You can see what your profit and loss is. Now I'm going to lower my stop just a little bit more, and I'm going to hope that this trade can lean on this 10 SMA here and show us something. If you look at the daily chart, we can easily see this is a new issue. All right, this is not very many days of trading, so there could be a lot of volatility in this. It's not a name I've seen before, but you give me the Trade Ideas package and I can find where the action is, and I can use the in chart buy buttons. And if you are a new trader, you should be simulating left and right. All right, have a good day, and don't forget to manage risk.